I left Owen Sound. I wanted to have enough time on the road in case I found a good camping spot. Turns out, Gray County is very off-grid friendly. I drove and hiked and drove some more. I found some great parking spots on the way, of which locations I will share with you in a moment. They all were great for sleeping, dog-friendly, lots of trails, and a lot of alone time. I always have trouble parking on the empty lot because I just can't decide where. I was able to do the finishing touches on the van. I draw the pattern in the shower and I painted the closet and kitchen cabinets. This took all day, and in between coats, we spent the time outside exploring the area. One last thing was cleaning the surfaces, especially in the front. There was lots of dust, sand, and dog hair. The usual, since Gasper does drywall, and I spend most of the days in construction areas. With the added renovation trash, it needed a deep, deep clean. These are all the locations I slept at on my way from Owen Sound to Toronto Airport. And here's the evolution of our van, from March 2020, when we first brought it home, until today, August 2nd, 2022.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, testify the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time.